Okay, so let's just discuss this. Why Etsy sellers do not give the link to their shop. So, ang dami nagtatanong nito sa akin, ano daw yung shop ko, tapos nagagalit sila na bakit hindi ko raw masabi, siguro hindi naman daw pala ako nakakabenta. So, I'll just answer it. So, basically, there's two reasons. So, number one, bunch of people would be going to your shop without buying something. Yung mga yan, gusto lang nila talaga makita yung shop mo, ano yung binibenta mo, and then not buy anything, which would ruin your conversion rate. So, yung conversion rate na tinatawag, it is your sales divided by the number of visitors. So, kapag mababa yung rate mo dito, it's not good for your Etsy shop, for your Etsy algorithm. For Etsy kasi, that means na ay maraming bumibisita sa shop mo, pero hindi naman sila nabili. So, pangit yung products mo. And iisipin ni Etsy na, I will just show other shops sa first page ng Etsy search instead of your shop. So, hindi siya maganda. Number two, if you already know that someone is successful or nakakabenta sila sa Etsy, especially yung mga nagpo-post sa FB ng mga success story nila, or let's say ako, nagpapakita ko ng mga income ko sa Etsy, and then I give you my shop name, then there is so much possibility na you would steal my designs, my idea, or worse is ika-copy-paste mo lang talaga yung mga products na binibenta ko and then sell it on your shop. So, nawala na yung sense na you have to do your own research. I know yung iba dyan, they wanna look for the shops for inspiration daw, for motivation, but I suggest na make your own research first. Ano ba talaga yung product na gusto or kaya mong ibenta? And then find at least 2 or 3 Etsy sellers na nagbebenta ng same product na magiging inspiration mo when you create your own and original products. And last one pala, I don't need to give you my Etsy shop name for you to learn. You can actually get all my products sa bio ko. And if you're a beginner, I really suggest getting the PLR bundle kasi andyan na yung mga tips, andyan yung mga guides ko talaga. So, ayun lang. Happy weekend!